am back with another video, and I'm super excited because this is my first video recorded in the new year. I just want to say thank you guys for rocking with me another year. Okay, I'm so thankful and grateful for each and every one of you guys. Y'all know 2019 has been a kind of up and down year for me. I'm just so blessed that I hit 100K in 2019 and we are going up from there. So yeah, I just wanted to put that in there. Yeah, so go ahead and pause the video and go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn your notifications on and all that good jazz. Alright guys, so today's unit, y'all, we have another unit from Geniuswigs. Alright, so we're gonna do the quick unboxing like we always do. We gotta see what we got. So this is the beauty right here. This is the star of the show. Also comes in the box is a comb, an elastic band, some T-pins, and they also sent over a wig cap. Today we have the 13 by 6 lace front wig. It's a curly unit. It's 20 inches and it's 180% in density. And yeah, so alright, so this is what the unit looks like straight out of the packaging. And y'all already know I did like the wet and wavy hair last time, so I really love the curl pattern hair. Y'all, this is butter soft, okay? That is what I look for in curly hair. I like to be able to run my hands through it and it's melting. Look, y'all, no tangles. You have to do this. I'm telling you, you really can tell straight out the packet if you got good hair or not, if you can run your hands through it, you know. And it feels like it's definitely been conditioned. So we're gonna get into this. So this is what the unit looks like. This is a HD lace, okay? So this is the construction of the unit. It has a comb on the side, a comb on the side, one in the middle right here. It also has, it does include a clip and also drawstrings at the nape. Alright guys, so this is what the lace looks like straight on out of the packaging. No alterations done. So this lace is an HD lace. Y'all know what HD lace is. The lace, this right here, is very thin and it's very undetectable. So no one really can say that you got, you know, a unit on, okay? Because the HD gives it that, you know, appearance. Also with this unit in particular, the knots on the unit, every hole that you guys are looking at only has 1 or 2 strands in there, okay? So they wanted to make it as undetectable as possible, and with just putting on like 1 thread of hair through each hole, sis, it just makes it look really real natural and like your hair. So we're gonna get right on. We're gonna go ahead and melt this lace today, okay? We're not doing the ball cap method like you, sis. If you think you need a ball cap method to have your lace slayed, somebody done lied to you. Somebody lied to you, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Also with the parting space on this unit, you do get about 6 inches of parting space. So the first thing I'm gonna do to, you know, melt my lace, yeah, I did a tinting video. If you guys haven't seen that, check it out. But I'm about to just add foundation on there. Alright guys, so this unit, I don't know if I got a size or not, or if it's just like a custom, a standard size. But this is how the unit fits on me. So I am gonna have to cut around the ear tabs to make it fit to my liking. Alright guys, so today's spray I'm using is bedhead. You already know I have a review on this. If you guys have not tried this, I really think you should give this a try. It's just bomb. So this is what we're gonna use, and I'm using my hair dryer on a cool heating setting, and we're gonna go ahead and, you know, secure the unit all the way around.
Alright, I would advise you guys to start in section. If you try to glue the whole head or spray the whole head down, just stick it down in one, you know, setting, you're going to be very frustrated. So start with sections. So once you spray it on, go ahead and push the product back a little bit. That's going to give you extra security as well. Have your blow dryer on cool, and I blow dried the first layer for 15 to 20 seconds. After that, you're gonna go back in with the second layer and blow dry it again on 15 to 20 seconds. You can keep touching it with your finger to see if it's tacky. You just want to make sure it's tacky before you stick it down, because if not, you're just wasting your time. So once it's tacky, go ahead and pull it down. make sure you are pressing. Normally I don't press too much with my fingers, but after I feel that it's, you know, bonding to my forehead or hairline, whatever you want to say, I take the teeth of my comb and begin to press down even more. That way it can lay very, very flat. You don't want to do a thin line when you're spraying the hair product on your hair, because it's not going to hold. It's just going to hold that little teeny line. So that's why when I sprayed my hairline, I did like a wide section, if that makes sense, instead of like a little thin section. You make sure you want to have enough product up there so the lace would, you know, adhere to it. So I'm gonna do this all the way around. There's nothing much to it. It's really, really easy, y'all, but it took me a while to get it as well. But you have the day after next, you have today, you have tomorrow, you have the rest of the days to continue to practice. Practice makes improvement, guys. So don't give up. If you have to watch this video 1,000 times, watch it 1,000 times. But this is basically how I do the entire perimeter section of my unit to lay it down. So like I said, go in sections, take your time, and sit. You be cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and speed it up, not too fast, but this is basically the easiest way I know how to explain it, or hopefully I know how to explain it well enough that, you know, you guys get my drift. This comb, okay. I like this comb. This comb is really helping me detangle, even though I know I'm supposed to be starting from the bottom, but it's still easy and it really, really works with the hair. I like. But I'm a left-handed girl, so it's just weird, like when I be trying to do certain things, because I'm left-handed and this comb is like for a right-hand person. That's just the way it's made. Y'all know I'm in love with ● so I'm gonna spray a little bit around my edges because we want to keep them protected. Alright, y'all, so now I'm gonna take some bed head spray and spray it on my edge brush and just brush everything back so it lays very, very flat. I might swoop some pieces around trying to cover up, you know, the line that so yeah, I might do some swoops in here depending on what I can see, because I don't like if I can see the line. If I can see the line, I know y'all can see the line, and that's not the type of eyes we going for.
Alright guys, so this is pretty much how the hair turns out. I'm really loving this look. She is laid, and like I said, this is actually my first time wearing it with, you know, without doing the baby hairs. I think it's okay. It could be better. I still got work on some areas, like you guys can see. A little bit of whiteness, but sis, I'm gonna practice, I'm gonna work on it. But I really want to show you guys an easy routine. I know some people do not know how to do baby hair, so this is, I wanted it to be more so beginner friendly. That way, you know, if you don't know how to, you know, do baby hairs, you could just cut off the lace and lay it down just like I did. Super simple and super easy. So that's what I was pretty much going for in this video. So a little bit about the hair real quick. Like I said, this is my first time wearing it out the box. I haven't washed it or conditioned. This is just how the hair comes. Now the hair is about 95% dry. Like I said, when you wear curly hair, it looks different when it's wet versus when it's dry. When it's dry, it's gonna look semi to this. You're gonna have a lot of volume, body, and density when it's dry. If you're doing like the wet hair look or the wet hair look, it's gonna look more thinner and it's gonna have a more defined curl pattern. So that's the only two difference between, you know, just my everyday curly hair routine and the wet hair look. So yeah, like I said, it was very easy to work with. I didn't have any problems with this unit at all on me. Like I said, I didn't do any customization. What you guys are seeing is exactly how it came out the box, besides me like straightening the edges and putting the hairspray on and doing my curly hair routine. Everything else is really everything else was done by them. The tint and the lace was, the knots on the unit were bleached. So yeah, everything was pretty much ready for you to put on. This is a unit that you can just literally grab and go outside of doing your curly hair routine. So it was very easy to work with. As far as shedding, I didn't have any problems with the shedding other than the normal shedding that you're gonna get from any curly unit or any virgin hair unit at that. Tangling was non-existent. You know, sometimes with curly hair you really can get a little bit of tangles here and there. This unit, I did not experience that at all, and you really can tell what type of hair you're getting once you do your curly hair routine, because it just tells on the hair. It just tells on the hair. And like I said, I was super excited because I was like, don't let me down, Genius, don't let me down. But sis, they done it again. I really enjoy working with this unit. If you guys are interested in this unit, don't forget to check the description section below. All information in regards to this hair will be listed down there below. So yeah, until next time, I gotta go. See you later. Bye.